this is Ami Patel. Welcome to the video lecture of Basic Electronics. In the previous video of this subject, I had discussed about different clipper circuit that includes the biased, unbiased clipper circuit, positive, negative clipper circuit, as well as the series and parallel clipper circuit. So now in this video, I will explain some numericals for the clipper circuit. So let us begin. So this is a circuit diagram given to you and you are asked to plot the output voltage waveform for that. Input given to this particular circuit is given by this waveform, that is sinusoidal waveform, that is from plus 15 to minus 15. The reference voltage is minus 4. Now let us begin the analysis for this numerical. For the analysis we will follow the same steps. So first we have to plot the input voltage range. So this is lying from plus 15 to minus 15, that is shown over here, and you will identify from this figure that this diode is connected in parallel with the output. That's why we can say this is the parallel clipper. And we find that there is a battery included into the circuit, that's why this is the biased clipper, and we had already done the analysis for this particular type of clipper. And for that we need to first plot the reference voltage. So how the polarity of reference voltage we are going to consider. So I had explained you previously that output voltage polarity is like this, plus minus, and you have to see the terminal of the battery which is connected towards the plus terminal, and that terminal is negative over here. So reference voltage I have to consider is minus 4 over here. So that is shown over here, that is minus 4 reference voltage. Now you have to do the analysis for the input greater than minus 4 and input less than minus 4. So for input voltage greater than minus 4, what happens to the diode, that we have to see. That this cathode is connected to the higher voltage than that of the minus 4. So input is greater than minus 4, that means cathode is at the higher voltage. This cathode terminal is at the higher voltage than that of this minus 4 voltage. And that is why we can say diode is in the reverse bias, that is off. And due to that, we can say during this output voltage will equal to the input voltage because diode is off. And when input is less than this minus 4, so what we can say, this cathode terminal is connected to the lesser voltage than that of the voltage at the anode, because at anode the voltage is minus 4, and that is why we can say diode is forward bias and that is on. And the output voltage will be the voltage across the diode and the reference voltage. That we will see in the analysis in detail when we plot the equivalent circuit. So in the solution, when input is greater than minus 4, we had already seen that diode is reverse bias. So equivalent circuit is with the diode switch off or open, and that's why output is equal to input. And when input is less than minus 4, at that time diode is forward bias. So it is acting as a closed switch. And here we are considering the ideal diode, that you have to remember. Ideal diode, when we are considering the ideal diode, the drop across the diode we are considering, that is cut-in voltage, is 0. So output voltage over here for the ideal diode is minus 4, and that we are going to plot in form of waveform. So input voltage waveform is being plotted, and we have the reference voltage of minus 4, and we have two input voltage range, that is from input greater than minus 4, input less than minus 4. And equivalent circuit for both of this case is shown over here, and output is also being shown in the equivalent circuit. Now we will plot the output voltage waveform. During this particular phase, when input is greater than minus 4, at that time output is equal to input, and during this particular phase when input is less than minus 4, at that time we are getting the output voltage is equal to minus 4. So you will find that the input voltage signal is being clipped off from the minus 4 voltage. So negative portion of this particular signal is being clipped off. So you can say that this is the negative clipper. Now we will see the next example that for this particular given circuit, we have to plot the output voltage waveform considering the ideal diode as well as the practical diode. In the previous numerical, we had considered the ideal diode only. So now we will do the analysis for both. So for that, you have to again plot the input voltage range, and input voltage signal is same sinusoidal signal with the input voltage range plus 15 to minus 15. Over here the reference voltage is 6 volt. So we have to consider reference voltage plus 6 or minus 6. For that you have to remember that this is the output voltage polarity, and the battery terminal which is connected towards the plus of the output voltage you have to consider. That's why plus 6 is the reference voltage, and this reference voltage is shown over here. So we will do the analysis into two parts, that is input is greater than 6 and input is less than 6. So if input voltage is greater than 6 volt, that means voltage at here, that is at the cathode, is greater than that of the voltage at the anode. That is why the diode is in the reverse bias, which is open, and due to that you can say output is equal to input. So you can say diode is off, that's why output is equal to input. So for this duration you will find output is equal to input. And now during the other part, that is when input is less than 6 volt. So input voltage is less than 6 volt. We can say the input at the cathode is less than the voltage at the anode of the diode. That is why we can say diode is in the forward bias, and that will act as a switch closed. Output voltage when diode is in the forward bias will be depending on whether we are considering the diode ideal diode or practical diode. If we are considering the diode is the ideal diode, so we will consider the drop across diode is 0 volt, and if we consider diode is the practical diode, then we have to consider the drop across diode is 0.7 volt, that is for the in general silicon diode. So this you have to keep in mind. So let us do the analysis. Here we are considering the ideal diode, and for that, when input is greater than 6 volt, we have seen diode is reverse bias, switch open, S switch is open, output is equal to input. And when input is less than 6 volt, diode is forward bias, so switch is closed, S switch is closed. We are considering ideal diode, so drop across the ideal diode we have considered 0 volt, and that's why output is 6 volt. And for this we are going to plot the output voltage waveform. So input voltage range is shown, that is plus 15 to minus 15 we can say, and the reference voltage plus 6 is being shown, and equivalent circuit for input greater than 6 volt and input less than 6 volt is repeated over here. We are considering the ideal diode. So input voltage when it is greater than 6, we have seen that diode is off, and that is why output is equal to input, that you can see over here in this particular time instances T1 and T2. And from now T2 to T3, that is the input voltage range is less than 6 volt, and for that the diode is on, and as diode is on, output voltage is equal to. So this is the negative clipper circuit which clips the signal from the 6 volt. Now we will do the analysis for the same circuitry considering the practical diode. So when we are considering the practical diode, at that time again we have same circuit shown over here. Input is also same, and we have plotted the analysis range, that is plus 15 to minus 15. When we are considering the practical diode, we have to consider the cut-in voltage of 0.7 for the silicon. When diode is on, in place of diode we have to keep the battery of 0.7 volt, and it will be such that the positive terminal is towards the anode side and negative terminal is towards the cathode side. So for example, this is the diode, its equivalent circuit will be like this. This is the cathode terminal, and that is why negative over here and positive towards this anode terminal, and that is why this will be minus plus 0.7. So that equivalent circuit is shown over here. So in place of diode, this battery of 0.7 volt is shown and plus 6 volt is shown. So net effect, if we see, this is minus plus plus minus, so it will be 6 minus 0.7, and the polarity of 6 volt is considered at the output, that is 5.3 volt. So reference voltage is 5.3 volt, and that we are plotting over here. And now we will consider the range V in greater than 5.3 volt. Then what happens? So V in is, input is greater than 5.3 volt. That means cathode terminal voltage is greater than the voltage at the anode, and that is why we can say that this diode is reverse bias or off. And when diode is reverse bias or off, output voltage is equal to input voltage, because this will be open switch. Now we will consider for the other part, that is when input is less than 5.3 volt. So when input is less than 5.3 volt, we can say that voltage at the cathode is more lesser than the voltage at the anode, that is 6 volt. And that is why we can say diode is on and diode is forward bias, so it will act as a switch closed. And output voltage will be according to the equivalent circuit that we will see in the next slide. So when the two case that input is greater than 5.3, diode is reverse bias, we had already seen in the previous slide. So diode is acting as an open switch, input is greater than 5.3, the output voltage is equal to the input voltage. So output voltage, two terminals are connected to the input terminals. And when input is less than 5.3, diode is forward bias, so it will act as a closed switch, and in series the battery of 0.7 volt you have to consider. So you see the polarity of batteries over here is minus, plus, plus, minus, so it is subtractive, and the higher value is 6 volt, so polarity of the 6 volt will be acting towards the output, so it is 5.3 volt. So these are the waveform considering the practical diode. So input voltage range plus 15 to minus 15 is being shown over here. The reference voltage here is considered as a 5.3 volt, and when input is greater than 5.3 volt, the equivalent circuit is like this. So diode is acting as a switch open, so output voltage is equal to input voltage. So for this particular duration, we have input greater than 5.3 volt and we have diode off. As diode off, output is equal to input, and this particular duration we can say that input less than 5.3 volt, diode is on, and as diode is on, we have output voltage is equal to 5.3 volt. So you will find over here the signal which is above 5.3 is as it is, and signal below 5.3 volt is being clipped off. So this is the negative clipper. So this is the output of the circuit considering the practical diode. So with this I am ending this session over here. Thank you.